Yeah, I woke up this morning with a different point of view. Less about what's broken, more about what's true. I see a world where every child is safe and fed, where the leaders speak with honor, mean the words they said, where the money flows like water to the ones in need, where the people plant the future with a common seed. No more hidden agendas, everything is clear. I'm speaking it to life and I can feel it here.
I can feel it coming now. I can see the better days. Light is breaking through the haze. Love is louder than the rage. Oh, the better days, they're already in our hands. Better days, here we stand.
I see a table where the truth don't need protection. Every file is open, every voice gets a reflection. Prosperity ain't hoarded, it's a river running free. What I have lifts you up and what you have lifts me. The wars are in the rearview, we got nothing left to prove. 7 billion hearts connected, beating in one groove. They told us we were powerless, now that was the lie. We're the architects of everything beneath this sky.
Turning into doors, we're what we've been waiting for. I can see the better days. Light is breaking through the haze. Love is louder than the rage. Oh, the better days are blooming from the ground. Better days, we are the sound.
Picture this, abundance is the baseline.
Every soul awake and every heart aligned.
Intelligence and kindness walking hand in hand.
Empathy, the currency across every land. No more separation, no more manufactured fear. Just coherence and connection crystal clear. The old world's an echo fading out behind. We're tuned to something higher, a frequency design.
I feel it in the morning when the light first breaks. A world where every promise is a promise no one takes. Where the children laugh like thunder, rolling through the trees. Where the people move together like a warm familiar breeze. No more looking backwards at the things that made us small. We're standing in our power, now there's room enough for all. They said a dream was foolish, but I feel it in my bones. We're building something beautiful and we're not building it alone.
See it, feel it, assume it's already done. Sleep on it, wake up in it, live from it, like it's the only truth.
This is the world we choose. And when the echo of the old story hits, when doubt tries to pull you back, don't back down.
We are the better days. No more shadows, no more gray. Aligned with the world we chose.
Yeah.
Where the truth flows free and everybody knows.
Where the healers lead and the old walls fall.
Where the violence ends and the children grow.
Where we stand as one in the golden glow.
It is done. We are the one. We speak it. We breathe it. The better days have come.
Earth is at peace. It is done. Thank you. It is done.